So good morning my dear students. Today we are going to start our new chapter number 14, that is statistics. So this is a very important and interesting chapter of your class 10. So let us start with this overview and introduction about this chapter, statistics. So we know that there are two types of data. One is ungrouped and the second one is grouped. So in class 9 you already done this chapter in which ungrouped data is given. You have to find their mean, median and mode for ungrouped data. You also done this chapter in your 7th and 8th class also in data handling chapter. So in this class 10, we have to find the mean, median and mode for grouped data. Grouped data. Clear students? So in this chapter, there are three formulas, or you can say three methods to find the mean for the group data. The first one is direct method, second is assumed mean method, and the third one is step deviation method. Clear? So what is mean? So mean is, or you can say that it is average. So its formula is for ungrouped data is sum of observation divided by total number of observations. So mean क्या है? आप किसी भी अनग्रुप डाटा की जो भी ऑब्जर्वेशंस गिवन होगी उन सभी को प्लस करोगे एंड देन यू विल डिवाइड इट बाय द टोटल नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशंस. सो इट इज मीन. सो इन दिस चैप्टर you have to find the mean by three methods. Direct method. So mean is noted by x bar. The symbol for mean is x bar. So formula for direct method is summation fi xi divided by summation fi. Clear students? So what is fi? Fi is denoted as frequency. Clear? Fi is frequency for the given grouped data. So what is ungrouped data? मतलब अगर कोई भी डाटा ओरिजिनल फॉर्म या रॉ डाटा के फॉर्म में गिवन है तो दैट इज कॉल्ड अनग्रुप्ड डाटा. एंड व्हाट इज ग्रुप्ड डाटा? मतलब किसी भी डाटा को अगर हम उसको सीक्वेंस वाइज लिखेंगे, ठीक है, मतलब उसके मतलब जब सपोज करो कि किसी क्लास में स्टूडेंट्स के हमें मार्क्स गिवन है किसी भी सब्जेक्ट्स के, ठीक है, अगर उसको हम सीक्वेंस वाइज लिख रहे हैं कि 10 से लेकर 20 मार्क्स वाले कितने स्टूडेंट्स हैं, फ्रॉम 20 to 30 मार्क्स देयर आर दिस स्टूडेंट्स, ठीक है, एंड सो ऑन. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड ग्रुप्ड डाटा. क्लियर? बट अगर डाटा को हम सिंपल ओरिजिनल फॉर्म में लिख रहे हैं, जैसे सपोज करो कि फर्स्ट स्टूडेंट के 20 मार्क्स, सेकंड के 25, थर्ड के 34, इस तरह, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड अनग्रुप्ड डाटा. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज assumed mean method. Assumed mean, so its formula is sum a plus summation fi di upon summation fi. Student, this is the symbol for summation. What is summation? Summation means to sum up, or you can say total, ठीक है. So this is the symbol for summation. Next, third formula is step deviation method. So it is x bar a plus summation fi ui upon f summation fi. Or you can also write the summation fi as small letter n. Small letter n is also denoted as summation fi. Or you can say number of observations. Clear students? So the next is mode of grouped data. So what is mode? In previous classes we have done already that mode is the observation with highest frequency, or you can say repeated frequency. मतलब कोई भी वैल्यू ऑब्जर्वेशन जो ज़्यादा पर रिपीट होगी दैट इज कॉल्ड मोड. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1 2 2 3 4 5 4 4 5 6 2 4. So I can write here some values which is in ungrouped form. So the first is 1 2 2 3 4 5 4 4 5 6 2 4. So you can see here 2 is repeated how many times? 2 is repeated here 3 times. 2 is repeated how many times? 3 times. Now this number 4 is repeated how many times? 1 2 3 4. 4 is repeated 4 times. And 5 is repeated how many times? It is repeated 2 times only. And the other observation, comes only one time. So you can see here 4 is coming up how many times? 4 times. So many times. मतलब 4 सबसे ज़्यादा बार repeat हो रहा है. So that's why it is called mode. 4 is the mode of this data. Clear, students? So in this class 10, you have to find the mode for grouped data. In grouped data, the class interval is given and their corresponding frequency is given also. So we have to find their mode. So what is the formula for mode? It is mode is equal to n plus f1 minus f0 to f1 minus f0 minus f2. Clear, students? N plus f1 minus f0 to f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. Alright. So the next is how to find the median of a grouped data. So we know that for ungrouped data, what is median? Median is the middle value. Median is the middle value of that observation. So the next is how to find the median of grouped data. So before to find the median for grouped data, we discuss about what is median. So median is the middle value of the observations. For example, if there are 5 observations, 1, 3, 4, 5, 7. If we have to find the median of this ungrouped data, so its formula is n plus 1 by 2. Clear? अगर ungrouped data में odd terms है, odd terms means 5, 7, 9. So you can see here there are 5 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the formula for to find the mean is n plus 1 by 2. So this is the median of this data. So what is n? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means there are 5 observations. So 5 plus 1 it is 6. 6 by 2 it is 3. It means third observation is our median of this data. So third observation is 1, 2, 3. Number 4. So 4 is the median for this data. Suppose that if there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If there are 8 observations given, we have to find their median. So you can see here there are even number of terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 terms, it means 8 is even. So what is the median for this data? So we have to find the average of what? N by 2 and n by 2 plus 1 observation. We have to find the average of n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1 observation. So what is n here? N is 8. So 8 by 2. And on the right side, what is n? N is again 8. 8 by 2 is how much? 8 by 2 is 4. And 4 plus 1, it is 5. Now 8 by 2 is here 4. 4th and 5th observation. It means we have to find the average of 4th and 5th observation. So 4th plus 5th term divided by 2. So we can find the median for this data. So which is the 4th observation? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4th observation is number 4 and the 5th observation is number 5. So 4 plus 5 is how much? 9 and 9 by 2 is 4.5. So it means 4.5 is the median for this data. Alright. But now we have to discuss about median for the group data. So the formula is n plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by f into n. So what is L here? L is the lower limit for the median class. N is the total sum for the frequency, or you can say summation of frequency. Minus Cf. So what is Cf is? Cf is cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. And what is F here? F is the frequency प्रीसीडिंग दी मिडिल क्लास, मतलब f यहाँ पर वो फ्रीक्वेंसी लोगे आप जो मिडिल क्लास के ऊपर वाली वैल्यू होगी, प्रीसीडिंग मतलब उससे पिछली वैल्यू। सो व्हाट इज h here? h is the class size of that class interval. Clear student? So this is the formula for to find the median for the group data. And the last topic of this chapter is graphical representation of cumulative frequency distribution. So this is all about this chapter, statistics. Now the next we will do examples of this chapter. Thank you.